Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on changing the language on your Nintendo Switch. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. From the home screen of your Nintendo, open up the System Settings. Scroll all the way down the left sidebar menu and tap on System. Then scroll down the right sidebar menu and tap on Language. Now choose the language that you would like to change to and tap Restart. Your Nintendo Switch will now restart in the language you picked. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Nintendo tips and tricks.